And I've been watching the darts as well.
It's good fun, isn't it? Good
Love
fun,
it.
the darts.
Love the darts.
Yeah,
I missed the crowd a bit, but, you know, the PDC World Championship it's theatre.
Showbiz, isn't it? And razzmatazz, all that kind of stuff. They had that for one night only, didn't they? The opening night last Tuesday before the shutters came down and London into the highest tier now of COVID regulations. So fans there, not for long though. We can talk about this with Dylan Williams, who runs PDC Cymru on Twitter. Morning to you, Dylan. I guess this makes you a darts super fan, does it?
Morning, Ian. Well, yeah, you know, deep down, I'm a fan like everybody else. But I just took to starting the channel to talk a little bit more and to raise awareness of Welsh success, which is what we had yesterday with Nick Kenny and Johnny Clayton, both winning their respective matches at Alexandra Palace.
Yes, just fill us in on that. Tell us about it. How did they do?
So yesterday lunchtime, we saw Nick Kenny make his debut on the world stage. Nick, in his post-match interview, confessed that he was shaking like a leaf taken to the stage, and he showed it, you know, with an edgy start. He, on two occasions, he went down 1-0 and 2-1, but then showed real nerve, you know, holding his nerve to reel off 6 legs to beat his opponent, Dirk Telnikers, and to book a second-round match with Jermaine Wattimena. As for Johnny Clayton, then last night, he played against John Henderson. Johnny cruised into a 2-0 lead, and I think then Johnny probably thought he was home and hosed, and also John Henderson raised his game a bit. But then a crucial 140 checkout by Johnny in a closely fought fourth set, you know, helped him over the line to give him a 3-1 victory and book a third-round match with either Joe Cullen or Wayne Jones.
One of the world's top players at the moment, Johnny Clayton, doing really well. And him and Gerwyn Price, they won the World Cup a couple of months ago as well. So Welsh darts is in a good place, isn't it, Dylan? And Gerwyn's playing this evening?
He is, yeah. So it's an all Welsh affair in a second round match between Gerwyn Price and Jamie Lewis of Cardigan. Price's focus all year has been on winning the Worlds. I think everything else that has come with it in 2020, you know, he's picked up 8 titles, has all been kind of feeding into the push that he'll try and give over the next fortnight to win the world title, and maybe more importantly grab that world number 1 spot which he's been after for the last 12 to 18 months.
Yeah, and what we were saying at the start, Dylan, is this is what we love about darts. It's a sport that doesn't seem to take itself too seriously, does it? We saw that last week with Peter Wright, the defending champ, coming on dressed as the Grinch on the opening night. Yeah. They have fun.
Exactly, yeah. Yeah, exactly. I think Peter was fully aware that was going to be his only chance, I think, to entertain the fans with London going into lockdown. You know, I think at the end of the day, it's the entertainment business. You know, you've got the Hearn family who run, you know, snooker, darts, boxing. It's all the entertainment business. So I think a lot of these players know that, you know, on their shoulders, not only are they there to entertain us in the darting way, but also to make us feel happy, to make us have a bit of fun during periods which have been, you know, dark enough.
We certainly need that at the moment. It has been fun. It's a good watch, Ollie, isn't it? Dylan, thank you very much.
Love it. I love it.